It's after 8 p.m. and can you see the snow? It has amounted so much and accumulated so much that right now cars are like stuck outside. The road is bad. Wow, we have a lot of inch of snow. Can you see my feet deep into the snow? It's really, really, really bad outside. It's snowing horribly. The wind is in my face, and this is just to show you guys an update of how bad this snowstorm is right now in Providence, Rhode Island. And it's really bad. It's really, really, really bad. Oh my God, that's a lot of snow. That is a lot of snow. And you can still see people walking, but the road is pretty much quiet. There's not that many people outside. It's really dangerous to be out here at this time, but I would not want to be stuck in this type of weather. Oh my goodness, it's really, really horrible out. Can you see that? Excuse me, that's a lot of snow. That is a lot of snow. And compared to the video that I showed you guys earlier, this is even worse. That you can pick up so much. Look at that.